glad to announce that Slim TC's AUM, or assets under management, now stands at about 410 billion pesos.
Our investment decisions. All of the teams here have an average experience on association. Last year, we garnered 25% of the total environment globally. Because of low inflation, we expect BSP to cut rates this year 2 to 3 times.
Are regulated by the SEC, whereas UITFs, or Unit Investment Trust Funds, are regulated by the BSP. That's why all the banks are offering UITFs. And as opposed to mutual funds, it's being offered by investment management companies or investment companies. So that's why UITFs are now more popular, because a lot of the banks are offering their own versions of UITFs. And for us, we would like to be more relevant. That's why we wanted to expand our product suite to also include UITFs, so that for us, we can address some of the needs of clients that are being addressed by banks. I'll be looking at least a 10% AUM on the retail side first. And these are mostly the UITFs. Just to understand it, the bulk of the AUM are really contributed by the insurance assets. And the insurance assets obviously are the anchor clients of Sun Life Investment Management. And this has made Sun Life Investment Management, in spite of us just being 4 years, quite stable because of this strong anchor client of the insurance business.
Investments in dollars could be gaining. And I think that's one way, aside from diversification, that's an added bonus for investors to really look into global assets. And I think to add to the diversification and the fear of going into global assets, it's not really that foreign, because the world is very globalized already. If you look at the US stocks, for example, the Mag 7, it's very much visible to you. Apple, Google, Facebook, right? So it's not really that foreign, unlike probably before.